Hello everyone, today we're going to explore the beautiful African savanna and learn a powerful lesson from a wise African proverb. When spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion. Let's dive into our story. Meet Spinner, a tiny spider with a big dream. Spinner wants to show that even the smallest creatures can achieve great things when they work together. One day, Spinner spots Leo, the lion, the mightiest animal in the savannah. Everyone knows that Leo is strong and powerful. Spinner wonders, could a small spider like me ever make a difference? Spinner decides to call upon his spider friends for help. At first, they are unsure, but Spinner explains that by working together, they can achieve something incredible. The spiders start working together, weaving their webs. Each spider's thread is small and fragile. But as they unite, their web becomes strong and mighty. When Leo walks through the area, he unknowingly steps into the united web. The web stretches and holds, surprising the lion. Leo, amazed by the strength of the united web, realizes the power of teamwork. Even the mightiest lion can be stopped when small forces come together. And so, Spinner and his friends teach us that no matter how small we may feel, when we unite, we can overcome great challenges. Remember, when spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion. The proverb, when spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion, conveys the idea that collective strength and unity, even if seemingly insignificant individually, can overcome much larger challenges or adversaries. It emphasizes the power of collaboration and teamwork, suggesting that when people or groups come together for a common purpose, they can achieve remarkable feats. Just as many individual spider webs, though delicate on their own, can immobilize a strong lion when combined, so too can the collective efforts of people achieve great things. This proverb encourages cooperation, solidarity, and the recognition of the strength that lies in unity. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tales from around the world. Remember, together we are stronger.